Kiryo Kobwaterana nense Algeria sechi sector au hanemona sensemo yobonchiria okwana ekera tena ba Kenya bomenye tasumuchi omone bo Algeria mokonyi bo muraiwense Professor KINDIKI nigo aine kiribune serikali ya Kenya nigere tayari Kobwaterana nechinse chindeme ya Africa hanemono area ya Algeria soko enekia obonchiria obuyango ikerana bore erigo kine uchumi.
We are also working towards operationalizing direct flights between Algiers and Nairobi to facilitate movement, because today many people who want to come to Algiers have to go through Middle East or through Europe, which is not very tidy, and therefore the air services will ease movement of people and goods and also promote people-to-people ties. And then the trade will also even cement our relationship. The education programs, we are going to make them mutual so that again we build on our relationship with Algeria. Africa must learn to build itself. Africa is a big economy, 54 nations, 1.4 billion people, is a huge market. Africa is even a powerhouse intellectually. It's only that we have not harnessed the intellectual resources of Africa properly. Algeria is keen to opening up more to Kenya and other African countries in trade. And going forward, we're going to firm up our relations in a meeting to be held in Nairobi in November, so that we can start exporting many of our products here, and they are keen to buy our coffee, to buy our tea, to buy our meat, to buy our powdered milk, to buy our avocado, our citrus fruits. We just need to firm up the trade agreements. That's why the trade minister is here, and there's a joint commission for cooperation to take place in November to firm up some of the discussions. We